Running a business in Austin often means dealing with clutter, outdated furniture, renovation debris, or general waste that piles up faster than expected. Choosing the right commercial junk removal service is more than just a convenience. It can save your business time, money, and headaches. Whether you're managing an office, retail space, or large property, here's how to make the best choice for your company. Understand your junk removal needs before calling any service. Clearly identify what type of junk you need removed. Office furniture and electronics, desks, cubicles, old computers, and printers require a provider with experience handling heavy or sensitive equipment. Construction debris. If your business is renovating, you'll need a service capable of hauling larger materials like drywall, concrete, or metal. Regular cleanouts. Some companies offer ongoing junk removal plans, which are ideal for businesses with steady waste production. Knowing your needs up front helps you match with a provider that specializes in your type of project. Look for local expertise in Austin. Austin is a growing city with unique environmental and regulatory considerations. A reliable junk removal company should be familiar with Austin's waste disposal rules, including recycling and hazardous waste regulations. Offer eco-friendly disposal options, ensuring reusable or recyclable materials don't end up in landfills unnecessarily. Have a strong local reputation, backed by reviews from other Austin businesses. Working with a company rooted in the community means you'll benefit from their knowledge of local routes, recycling centers, and disposal facilities. Prioritize professionalism and safety. Commercial junk removal often involves heavy lifting, sharp debris, or bulky items. The service you hire should demonstrate a commitment to safety and professionalism. Ask potential providers. Do their workers carry insurance and proper training? Do they use the right equipment to prevent accidents? Can they perform removals during non-business hours to reduce disruption? A company that prioritizes worker and client safety ensures a smoother experience and minimizes liability for your business. Compare pricing and transparency. Cost is always a factor, but it shouldn't be the only one. When comparing quotes, look for clear and upfront pricing. Avoid companies with vague estimates or hidden fees. Flexible packages. Some charge by truckload, while others use hourly rates. Choose whichever aligns best with your project. Value-added services. Does the company offer recycling, donation drop-offs, or documentation of what's hauled away? The best service is one that balances affordability with dependable quality. Check for sustainability practices. Austin is known for its eco-conscious culture, and many businesses strive to reflect that commitment. A top junk removal service should align with those values by sorting materials for donation and recycling before disposal, partnering with local charities or recycling facilities, offering green disposal methods to reduce landfill impact. By choosing a company that shares your sustainability goals, you'll not only keep your property clean but also enhance your business's reputation in the community. Evaluate customer support and flexibility. Business needs can change quickly. Maybe you need a one-time clean-out after a renovation, or perhaps you'll require scheduled pickups. A reliable junk removal service should offer fast response times for urgent needs, flexible scheduling to fit your hours of operation, clear communication, so you know when and how the job will be done. Responsive and adaptable customer service often makes the difference between a stressful experience and a hassle-free one. Final thoughts. Choosing the best commercial junk removal service in Austin means weighing more than just cost. Look for a provider that understands your needs, values safety, supports eco-friendly practices, and offers clear pricing and responsive service. By partnering with the right company, your business can stay clutter-free, productive, and aligned with Austin's commitment to sustainability. With careful consideration, you'll find a junk removal partner that not only takes out the trash but also adds real value to your business operations.